To clean the system, first connect the system components. Pour a glass of warm water into the male cup. When the cup is full, use the rest of the water to rinse off the foam ring on the outside of the cup. Press the manual button on the control unit to evacuate the water from the cup. Clean out the hoses by letting the control unit run dry for several seconds. Dry off the cup. Disconnect the cup from the bag and set it aside to be reused. Disconnect the control unit and press the manual button to clear it out. Turn the bag back and forth to rinse out the insides before draining. Make sure to close the valve once drained. With proper cleaning, the male cup and collection bag can be reused up to 20 flights at the discretion of the pilot.